In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to prepare and print checks in QuickBooks Online. This is a simple process, but it's important to go carefully so your printed checks line up properly and your check numbers stay accurate in your records. Before you begin, make sure you have your pre-printed check stock ready and loaded correctly into your printer. Having everything prepared in advance will help you avoid wasted checks and reprints. To get started, go into QuickBooks Online and click the plus new button. From there, select Print Checks. This will take you to the check printing screen, where you can review the checks that are ready to be printed. Next, load your pre-printed check stock into your printer. Be sure the paper is facing the correct direction based on your printer model. If you're not completely sure how your printer handles check stock, it can help to double-check the paper orientation before printing a full batch. Once your checks are loaded, select the correct checking account from the drop-down menu in QuickBooks. This step matters because it ensures you're printing checks from the right bank account and matching the correct transactions. After that, go to the starting check number field and enter the check number that matches the first physical check currently sitting in your printer tray. This helps QuickBooks stay in sync with your physical check stock, which is especially important for clean bookkeeping and avoiding duplicate or skipped check numbers. Now review the list of available checks and check the boxes next to all the checks you want to print. Take a moment here to confirm you've selected the correct payments before moving on. When you're ready, click Preview and Print. The preview screen gives you a chance to confirm that everything looks right before anything is actually printed. This is your opportunity to check the layout, alignment, and general formatting. If everything appears correct in the preview, go ahead and click Print. After printing, QuickBooks will ask whether the checks printed correctly. If they did, click Done. That final confirmation tells QuickBooks the print job was successful and completes the process. And that's all there is to it. As a final tip, if you ever notice alignment issues, it's a good idea to stop and adjust before printing additional checks so you don't waste your check stock. With a careful setup and a quick preview, printing checks in QuickBooks Online can be fast, accurate, and easy.